Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add a border to a page in Microsoft Word using the free online version of Microsoft 365. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft's free Office online page. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one if you don't already have it. Once signed in, open Word from the list of apps and either start a new document or open one saved in OneDrive. With your document open, go to the Layout or Design options at the top, look for Borders, and click on it. A menu or dialog box will appear with customization settings. Here, you can adjust the style, thickness, and color of your border. You can even choose decorative art borders if you'd like. Take a moment to preview how it will look before applying. Once you've chosen the design you like, click OK, and the border will be applied to your page. And that's it. You've successfully added a page border in Word Online. Try experimenting with different styles until you find the perfect look for your document. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful Word tutorials.